So in this short tutorial, we're going to take a look at how do we actually save or download a PDF from Google Classroom. From the second tab inside Google Classroom called the Classwork tab, scroll all the way down to the Learning Journey section and locate your child's learning journey. Please click on the PDF file that you see there. It will open your child's learning journey as a PDF document right there inside the Google Classroom. You'll notice on the right-hand side you have a print button and you have three dots. If you click on the three dots at the top right-hand side, you'll have the option for details or open in a new window. Please go ahead and click on Open in a New Window. It will actually open your child's learning journey in a new tab in the same Google Chrome window that you're currently in. You'll notice the four icons at the top right-hand side now, this one highlighting the Save to Google Drive folder for your child's login. So you could even create a Google Drive folder called Learning Journeys and it will be able to save there. You also have the option to print. So if you are connected to a printer, selecting the print button that's currently highlighted will allow you to select the printer of your choice and you can print it directly. And clicking on the three dots at the top right hand side, you'll find all of these options available to you. Just click on the download button that's highlighted in this window and you'll be able to actually save to your device, whether that be a mobile phone, a laptop, or a hard disk.